Notion iEnterprise app. The pros, the cons. Notion iEnterprise app is a powerful productivity platform, but most people get this wrong. It's more than just note-taking. The surprising truth is that it integrates AI-driven writing, task management, and database organization into a single workspace designed for teams of any size. One major pro is its all-in-one workspace. Teams can manage projects, write content, create databases, and collaborate in real time without switching apps. For example, marketing teams can plan campaigns, write blog drafts, and track progress in one unified environment. Another advantage is iAssistance. Notion AI can draft content, summarize long documents, and provide suggestions for clarity and style, making knowledge work faster and more efficient. Customization is another strong point. Enterprises can create templates, dashboards, and workflows that fit their specific needs, boosting productivity and standardizing processes across departments. However, there are cons. Some users find the AI features occasionally inconsistent, requiring manual review. Additionally, the learning curve can be steep for teams transitioning from traditional tools, and pricing for enterprise plans is higher than individual plans. In conclusion, Notion iEnterprise app is ideal for organizations that want a centralized, AI-enhanced workspace. Its combination of task management, content assistance, and customizable workflows improves efficiency and collaboration. While teams may need time to adapt, the long-term benefits of streamlined operations and intelligent assistance make it a strong investment.